Good morning, everyone. It's your girl, Sean, owner of Jah-Licity's Bundles, Boxes, and Gifts. So hopefully everyone is having a wonderful start to their Saturday morning. So the items that I'm showing you here, not the scissors, are some items that I have picked up because I am putting together a wedding gift basket for one of my husband's best friends. He is getting married today. Y'all look at that basket. Isn't that beautiful? That thing is huge. Hang on, I'm gonna put the phone up for a second and take it down so y'all can see how deep the inside is. So I have already put two of the USPS packing boxes down inside of here to kind of take up that space, because y'all, that would require a lot of paper in order to fill up this basket. But look how beautiful it is. I love the pattern on here. Like, I remember making like placemats like this when I was in elementary school, like for Thanksgiving and for Christmas. We would use the red and green strips of construction paper and make the paper mats. All right, y'all, but I did pick this basket up from Burlington. Original price was $14.99. It was on clearance for $10.39. I thought that was a great price for such a lovely basket. All right, so here's a tag. One thing I do like about this basket is that once it's given to the bride and groom as a gift, they can repurpose this. Y'all, please excuse the whining in the background. That's my puppy. He's ready to go outside, so I'm gonna have my son get up and take him out in just a moment. All right, but this basket can be reused for whatever purpose the bride and groom so decides to use it for. It can be in their living room, in their bedroom. I didn't have a picture as a backer, so I did take a flattened USPS box and just covered it with some brown paper, and that is going to be used as my backer. Hang on, I'm putting the phone down again. So with the towels, these are the towels here that I originally picked up from Burlington. So it's a 6-piece bath towel set. It has 2 rags, 2 hand towels, well, 2 washcloths, 2 hand towels, and then 2 bath towels. So I thought this was also a good price. It was only $13.99. Maybe it's a little, too steep or whatever, but for the 6-piece set compared to all the other sets they had in Burlington, I thought that was a pretty reasonable price. So I was first deciding to put that in the basket, but then I thought about it. I was like, well, I knew the Dollar General had their purple dye, rags and towels on sale. So I did find these. I love the color. So, and it does match the wedding color scheme. So the colors of the wedding. So I thought this would be a good idea to give the bride and groom. So I picked up this 5-pack of washcloths. And then I picked up 2 of the bath towels. So in lieu of me giving them the 6-piece set with the 2 hand towels, I was just gonna do the 2 towels with the 5 washcloths. Talked to my husband. He was like, no, go ahead and give them the 6-piece, I don't know why I keep mispronouncing that word, but 6-piece bath towel set. So these items will go in our personal closet here at home. So found this picture, love it. These colors match perfectly, y'all, like with the colors of the wedding. So when I saw it, that was a definite item I felt like I needed to pick up. And then I looked in my stockpile and saw that I had these flowers, and they match almost perfectly with the flowers that are in the picture. So this is one of the holiday floral arrangements that I found, but from Dollar General, but it works well for the purpose. Then Dove for her. So we have the coconut and cocoa butter Dove body wash, and then I'm giving her the Dove body cream, and then the men's extra fresh body wash, and then of course for him the men Dove body cream. This little jar, after I put the candy in it, I thought about it. It's a spice jar, but I thought about maybe since my husband and I have been married since 2019, no, sorry, 2009. 2009, maybe I could have written some like special little messages, maybe some well wishes, you know, for their marriage, and then put those in here. But I just decided to go with some of the chocolate covered caramel candies by Weathers. Then of course we have a loofah for him, and then for her we have this pampering set. So she gets a loofah, she gets a sponge, then she gets like a headband, she gets the pumice stone, and then this is a massager. So some of this stuff in here is strictly for her, like the headband. I would think the headband, or sorry, the loofah and the headband, but and maybe the sponge, but definitely the massager and the pumice stone. It could go for either one, but this massager can be used interchangeably for both of them. All right, so then we have some Godiva chocolates for them, some assorted chocolates. Then I love this. I went to like 2 different stores once I saw this. I originally found it in one store, and then it was just the wrapper or the packaging. The pillowcases were gone. Don't know what happened to them. But when I went to another store, they didn't have these. And then I finally found them at my second Dollar General yesterday. And I just love it. Mr. Right, Mrs. Always Right. So I just felt like that was very befitting for the occasion since they're getting married. So, and when he goes to bed at night, he just needs to have his reminder that, yeah, you right, homie, but I'm always right. Just kidding. All right, so then I wanted to get them some glasses. At first, I was going to get, camera malfunction, I do apologize. I was going to get some wine glasses, but then I saw these geometric wine glasses, and I was like, oh no, these are so cute. So I love these, and it is a 4-pack. So, and I found these at Big Lots. So I did find these at Big Lots, and they were a pretty good deal. The shelf said they were like $10, but when I got to the cash register, they were only about $4 or $5. I think about $5. So I felt like that was a good deal. All right, you guys. So here are the items that I'm going to be putting into my wedding gift for my husband's friend. So stay tuned. I will come back in just a moment with the finished product. And if I had a camera stand, I would stand the camera up so that y'all can see me go through the whole process, but I don't know what my camera stand is, so I have to utilize both of my hands in order to put the basket together. So I will come back in a moment once I have everything arranged to show you the final product. Oh yeah, as well, since the basket is so deep, I'm still gonna have to use more boxes. So I'm using these smaller boxes to put under the wine glasses so that they can sit up, because I do want the bride and groom to see the wine glasses rather than them being down in the basket. All right, stay tuned.